Hey everyone, welcome to our journey towards boosting our financial IQ. Did you know that a shocking 76% of millennials lack basic financial knowledge? That's right, and we're here to change that. Today, we're diving into the world of finance, but not in the way you might think. We're going to explore easy, practical steps to master our money game. In this series, we're not just talking numbers, we're talking life-changing strategies. From uncovering the secrets of financial books to the power of networking and finance forums, we've got it all covered. And guess what? By the end of this, you'll be navigating your finances like a pro. But wait, there's more. I've got some incredible tips and surprising facts that will make you rethink how you see money. And I promise, by the end of this series, you'll look at your bank account and smile. So, what's the catch? You've got to stick with us till the end. Why? Because I'm saving some of the best secrets for the last chapters. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. And hey, if you're ready to take control of your finances and join a community of savvy money masters, hit that subscribe button. Let's embark on this financial adventure together. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1. Diving into financial books and articles. Hey there, I'm excited to talk about boosting our financial IQ today. Let's start with Chapter 1. Reading financial books and articles. Ever heard of Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki? Or The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham? These classics are my go-to resources. They're not just books, they're treasure troves of wisdom. And guess what? Reading them isn't just for pros. It's for anyone who wants to get smart about money. Now, I don't just stop at books. I also keep up with the latest financial news and blogs. It's like having a daily chat with the financial world. These articles aren't just informative. They're like a window to what's trending in finance. From stock market highs to the newest investment strategies, staying updated is key. So, let's make reading these a habit. It's a game changer, trust me. 2. Exploring online courses and webinars. The internet is our best friend here. There's a wealth of knowledge on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy. You know what's great? These courses cater to everyone, from beginners to those who already know a bit about finance. They cover everything from personal finance to the complex world of economics. Webinars are my secret weapon. They're like having a front row seat to a finance masterclass. The best part? You can interact with experts and get your burning questions answered. It's like having a mentor at your fingertips. So let's dive into these online courses and webinars. It's like having a finance guru in your living room. 3. Tuning into financial podcasts. Podcasts are like our personal finance buddies. They're perfect for learning on the go. Whether you're commuting or just chilling at home, popping on a finance podcast is a no-brainer. These aren't just talks. They're gold mines of knowledge, covering everything from investment tips to personal finance stories. I love the variety in podcasts. You get news, expert interviews, and even some insider secrets. And the best part? There's a podcast for every financial topic you can think of. So let's make podcasts part of our daily routine. It's like having a financial coach in your ear. 4. Utilizing financial management tools. This is where we get hands-on. There's a tool for everything: budgeting, investing, planning for retirement. These aren't just apps. They're like personal finance assistants. They help track our spending, investments, and even give insights into our financial health. What I love about these tools is the practical experience they offer. It's like having a finance dashboard at your fingertips. And the best part? They make finance fun and interactive. So, let's get these tools working for us. It's like turning our finances into a high-tech adventure. 5. Joining financial forums and social media groups. Now let's jump into way number 5. This is where the magic of community comes in. I've found that joining groups like Reddit's personal finance communities or Facebook finance groups is a game changer. It's not just about reading posts. It's about engaging in conversations, sharing experiences, and learning from others. These forums and groups are like our financial support system. Have a question? Just ask. Chances are, someone's been in your shoes and has some wise advice to share. It's like having a finance family, ready to help and guide each other. So, let's dive into these communities. It's about making connections and growing together. 6. Consulting with financial professionals. This is about getting personalized advice tailored to our unique financial situations. Financial advisors, tax professionals, and investment experts. These are the people who can help us navigate the complex world of finance. I've learned that sometimes the best investment we can make is in professional advice. These experts don't just give tips, they provide strategies based on our goals and circumstances. It's like having a personal finance coach, guiding us towards smarter financial decisions. So, let's not hesitate to reach out to these professionals. It's a step towards informed and confident financial choices. 7. Attending financial workshops and seminars. These events, often hosted by banks or investment firms, are not to miss opportunities. They're like mini courses, packed with valuable insights on specific topics like retirement planning or tax strategies. I've found these workshops to be incredibly useful. They're not just lectures, they're interactive sessions where we can ask questions and get hands-on experience. Plus, networking with other attendees can open up new perspectives and opportunities. So let's mark our calendars and make the most of these workshops. It's about learning, engaging, and expanding our financial horizons. 8. Practicing investing. And here we are. This is where we take theory into action. Starting with a small investment account or a stock market simulator is a great way to dip our toes in the investing world. It's not about big moves. It's about getting a feel for the market and learning by doing. As we gain confidence, we can explore more, like mutual funds, bonds, or even real estate. It's about experimenting and finding what works for us. Investing isn't just about making money. It's about understanding risk, making informed decisions, and growing our wealth steadily. So let's start small, learn, and gradually build our investing journey. And that's a wrap. Now I've got a question for you. What was your biggest takeaway from our series? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how these tips are transforming your financial journey. But wait, the learning doesn't stop here. If you enjoyed this series, check out our other videos for more insights and strategies to master your money. Each video is a new opportunity to grow your financial wisdom. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of finance enthusiasts. Together, we're building a future of financial freedom and success. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in our next video. Let's keep this financial adventure going.